G'day Tommy, this is the question that you asked for, mate. This is page 171, question 5. So looking at the setup of this problem, the most challenging part, I guess, is coming up with how they have shown that volume equals a quarter pi h 100 minus h squared. So using the diagram here, I simply set up this triangle. Because I know my radius is 5, I therefore know my diameter is 10. My height is given, and the r value, if I double it, will give me the base of that rectangle. So using Pythagoras, 2r squared plus h squared equals 10 squared. If I go ahead and simplify there, I'll come out to 4r squared equals 100 minus h squared. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to solve for r squared. Rather than solve for r here, I'll solve for r squared because I know where this problem is going. So because I know that r squared is within the volume of a cylinder pi r squared h, rather than solve for r itself and then actually go back and get r squared, let's just leave it as r squared. It makes our life easier. We sub in, and that's how they find part A. That's how they show what they need to show. Okay, that's probably the most challenging part of the question because you naturally can't use your calculator there. In terms of the graph, okay, I've just drawn a rough version of the graph without the calc. It's a cubic graph. My intercepts are going to occur at h equals 0 and h equals 10. Please be careful with the 0 and 10 intercepts. You cannot have 0, so therefore they're open circles. Okay, so they've given us the max 5.77302.3, but naturally you would draw this on your calculator rather than do this by hand. Okay, the next part just follows on. Let me just make that a little bit smaller for you. C says find the volume with a height of 6. So the best thing to do is probably define the function on your calculator. So define, v of h equals what it is, and then if you sub in v of 6, it'll just give you your calculation straight away. Or you can do the sketch and do xcal through sort of your analysis and gsolve. That'll help as well. Part D is sort of the opposite scenario where they tell us the volume and they want us to find the height. So again, we're actually solving the equation. So we're solving v of h equals 48 pi comma h. So I haven't got the answers on C and D because I haven't got the calculator with me right now, but as you can see, they're the steps to do it, mate. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of guidance on that question, and enjoy the day, buddy. Enjoy the weekend. Bye.